I'm Rich Harrison, founder and CEO of CollisonRight. We're a leading multi-shop operator operating collision repair businesses in 11 states. I have a passion for helping people. So one of our core values is act with care. And where my heart was when I started the company was to help people get their vehicles working again. Cars are more advanced than ever, and so we need to have the technical know-how, the training, the equipment to work on today's modern vehicle, which really is like an iPhone on wheels, a lot of computer technology. And so that's why we came up with the name CollisonRight, to emphasize our ability to repair today's advanced vehicles and to do it properly. Really, I think the most important core value that we've identified is act with care. So this is how we treat each other in the business, how we treat our customers, how we interact with our vendors. Are we living that core value? So we don't want it to just be a poster on the wall. We have to put it into action. We are very passionate about being active in our local communities and really helping. We try to say yes. If somebody needs help, we just try to say yes. So we've been very active in giving away cars to people in need. So that's another area. And the businesses that we've acquired across 11 states, many of them have participated in their local community, and we encourage them and we provide the resources and the budget for them to continue to do that. It's part of our DNA that we really, really want to make a difference for our people and the communities that we serve.